because they start out in a spiral, all circled up, and then over the next couple of weeks that circle will unfold and the leaves will grow bigger into a fern. You can see the leaf, and there's many of these plants here, and they're called trout lilies. And the leaf is kind of speckled green and red, and eventually in a few weeks the plant will shoot up a flower and it will be a yellow looking lily. So here in this spot we have the whole forest floor just covered in trout lilies. They're almost like a carpet. What we're looking at is an acorn that is splitting open and starting to sprout. And you can see on the bottom there's a little tail coming out, which is probably the root starting to grow. Alright, so it looks like my guess was correct. I found a couple more acorns on the ground, and these are splitting open too, and they look red on the inside. And you can see the acorn cap that fell off. There's lots more all over the ground, getting ready to sprout.